Hi, hello dear students. Welcome to our channel Maths with Panindra. In this video, in this live session, most of the students they are aware of about application of derivatives. It is very important. Maxima and Minima. In the application of derivatives, last concept in the Mathematics-1B paper, first year, the last question, the last concept, Mathematics-1B. In the question paper, question number 24, either in AP or TS, the question is very important from the concept of maxima and minima. I hope everyone able to see that and you are able to. Yes, so now I am going to explain about the question. It is very important. A number of times they asked in the public examination. From a rectangle sheet of dimensions 13 centimeters cross 80 centimeters, 4 equal squares of sides x centimeter are removed at the corners and the sides are then turned up so as to form an open rectangular box. What is the value of x so that the volume of the box is greatest? This is the very important, dear students. Very important question. You need to practice, all of you. This question is very important. I will explain the concept wise. Those who are watching still, yeah, just I will draw the figure and I will show the first a rectangular sheet you can take, dear students. This is the rectangular sheet. So this is the rectangular sheet like this. Form a rectangular sheet of dimensions 30 centimeters, 80 centimeters. Here, from here to here, 30 centimeters are there. From here to here, 80 centimeters are there. So, the rectangular dimensions, the dimensions given, L is equal to 80 and breadth is equal to 30. Everyone understand that? Length is 80, breadth is 30. But here twist is given, 4 equal squares of sides x centimeters are removed. So here x centimeters are going to remove from the corners. So this is one square, this is another square, this is also another square, this is also another square. Here x centimeters, here x centimeters, here x centimeters, here x. Observe carefully from the figure, dear students. I will show practically also this figure. So this is the rectangular sheet of dimension. This is the rectangular sheet. From this is the rectangular sheet now, the figure. Observe carefully here. This is one square. This is another square. So here also another square. Before it will be 30. It will be 80, it will be 30. What they are asking is, they are asking to remove from the corners of this rectangular sheet. So it will becomes, after removing like this, now it is the square. I removed one square from one corner. Similarly, second corner also removed. Next, third one. third one, and this is the fourth one, dear students. So according to the question, I hope everyone understand. From rectangular sheet of dimensions 30 cross 80, 80 and length 30 breadth. 4 equal squares of sides x centimeters removed from the corners. So x centimeter squares we removed from the corners. Then it will be turned up. It will be just fold like this way. Like this, you have to fold it. Now if you observe, it is a rectangular open box. Am I right? This is the rectangular open box. If you observe carefully, this is the height of the rectangular open box. This is the height. This is the length. This is the breadth. This is the way the rectangular sheet is going to bend. I hope everyone understand this practically. This is the rectangular open box. After that, what they are asking, that x value, how much it will be, they are asking. And so that the volume of the box is greatest, question mark also they are asking. When it will be greatest, the volume of the rectangular open box. Now I will come to the answer, dear students. So this is the given information. After removing x centimeter square from all the corners, the dimensions are so after removing here x centimeters, it will becomes 80 minus 2x. Did you understand that, all of you? From here to here x, from here to here x. Total x plus x 2x we are subtracting from 80 centimeters of length. Next, from here to here x, from here to here x. So from here to here 30 minus 2x. So now after removing, the dimensions are L is equal to 80 minus 2x, B is equal to 30 minus 2x. After that, it will be turned up into the rectangular open box now. So this is the height of the rectangular open box. H is equal to x. This x units only, no. So practically this is the way it will be. Now we will come to the question. After getting of LBH value, the volume of rectangular open box is V is equal to L into B into H. This is the formula, dear students. So substitute these values. V is equal to 80 minus 2x into 30 minus 2x into x. Volume of the rectangular open box in terms of x is there, no? So I am assuming that since I am taking V is equal to f of x. Sir, why sir you are taking V is equal to f of x? Volume of the rectangular open box in terms of x is there. So whenever the value in terms of x, I am assuming that function f of x. So f of x is equal to, so normal multiplication, that means actual multiplication I am doing. 80 into 30, 2400. 80 into minus 2x, minus 160x, minus 2x into 30, minus 160. Sorry, minus 60. So total it will be minus 220x. Minus 2x into minus 2x, 4x squared. After that, each and every element multiplying by x. So it will becomes f of x is equal to 2400x minus 220 x square plus 4x cube. I hope you are everyone able to see. Once I will check it here. Yeah, clearly you are able to see. After getting f of x, see from the maximum minima questions specialty is from the given data, you have to make the function in terms of x, in terms of h, in terms of r, different category questions we will make it, dear students. So after f of x, immediately f dash of x, f double dash of x also calculate. Differentiate with respect to x. So f dash of x is equal to, so d by dx of 2400x, 2400 constant you can take outside, x derivative is 1. So 2400 minus 220 we can take aside and x square derivative, d by dx of x square is 2x, 2x into 220. So 440x plus 4 into d by dx of x cube, 3x square, 3x square into 4, 12x square. Again differentiate with respect to x. Again differentiate with respect to x on both sides indirectly, dear students. No need of writing such. F dash of x will becomes f double dash of x. D by dx of constant 2400 is 0 minus 440 we can take outside, x derivative is 1. So minus 440 into 1 plus 12 into d by dx of x square is 2x. So it will be minus 440 plus 24x. This is the value of f double dash of x. Till this step, if you write, you will get a minimum 3 to 4 marks out of 7. Now, for maxima or minima, this step is very, very important. For maxima or minima, put f dash of x is equal to 0. This is very, very, very important step, dear students. In the public examination, after writing this step, you have to underline it. You will get the good impression to the examiner. What is f dash of x according to that? This value. So that is 2400 minus 440x plus 12x square is equal to 0. All are multiples of 4 only, dividing by 4. So here dividing by 4. So 600 minus 110x plus 3x square equal to 0. Here we required factorization. 3 into 600 is 1800. 1800, 90 into 20 also we can do that. So 110 can be expressed in terms of 90 and 20. Minus 90x minus 20x. This is called factorization, dear students. 600 minus 90x minus 20x plus 3x square equal to 0. From these two, 30 you take out common, 20 minus 3x. Similarly, from here minus x take out common, 20 minus 3x. So from these two, 20 minus 3x if we take out common, so 20 minus 3x into 30 minus x equal to 0. So from here 20 minus 3x equal to 0. That implies 3x equal to 20, x is equal to 20 by 3. Next, 30 minus x equal to 0. That implies x is equal to 30. So here we got two values. Which value is right value? Which value is possible? If we take x is equal to 30, if x is equal to 30, just you have to verify the values of L and B. L is equal to 80 minus 60, that is equal to 20. B equal to 30 minus 60 minus 30. It is not possible. It is absurd. It is meaningless. The length breadth always positive. The length we will find out now. The length always positive. Here we are observing that negative value. That is the reason x is equal to 30 is not possible. Why I am writing here not possible? Because of this reason, dear students. Now what? Whenever x is equal to 30 is not possible, obviously x is equal to 20 by 3 is not possible. Therefore, the possible value of x. Therefore, the possible value of x is 20 by 3. Till this step, you will get 5 marks out of 7. But they are asking to prove so that the volume of the box is greatest. If you want to prove the function f of x is having greatest value or maximum value, the second order derivative of the function at the place of x is equal to 20 by 3, you have to prove it is negative, less than 0. So, When x is equal to 20 by 3, I am going to verify f double dash of x. F double dash of x. So in place of x, substitute 20 by 3, f double dash of 20 by 3. So wherever x is there, replace with 20 by 3. So minus 440 plus 24 into 20 by 3. So 3 ones are 3 8s are minus 440 plus 160, that is equal to minus 280. So f double dash of x value is what? Less than 0 clearly. Whenever second order derivative of the function is less than 0, f of x is maximum. F of x is maximum. F of x is maximum. F of x, I assume that rectangular open box volume only, no? So that is V is maximum. They are asking to prove the rectangular open box volume is maximum. So that the volume of the box is greatest. So that is V is greatest. Hence the result, or hence proved. One more question I am going to dictate to the students. I hope everyone understand that you enjoyed this question. It is very important. We may expect in the coming public examination in intermediate AP and TS. I will explain another question. Yeah, I think everyone completed. So I am going to rub this. Another question I am going to write. Every day two questions like from Maxima and Minima I am going to explain to students for the benefit of the students. 100% you are going to get benefit from my channel, dear students. This is one of the example problem. Find the maximum area of the rectangle. Find the maximum area of rectangle that can be formed with fixed perimeter 20. Fixed perimeter. So this is the question, dear students. Example problem in the maximum minimum. This question also they asked previously in the previous years. Find the maximum area of the rectangle whose perimeter is given. So let us consider the dimensions of the rectangle. Let x and y are the dimensions of, here dimensions are not the new one. Dimensions means length and breadth only, dear students. Dimensions of a rectangle. So I assume that length is x, breadth is y. Next, find the maximum area they are asking. But condition is given that can be formed with fixed perimeter. What is the perimeter of the rectangle? So when the rectangle, this is the rectangle, this is the breadth, this is the length. The perimeter of the rectangle. The perimeter of the rectangle is equal to how much it is given? 20 feet or 20. The formula for perimeter of the rectangle, 2 times of L plus B. So L in place of L, X in place of B, Y. So that is 2 times of X plus Y is equal to 20. So both sides divide by 2, it will becomes x plus y is equal to 10. 2 ones, 2 tens. After getting up this situation, y in terms of x we have to write it, dear students. Y is equal to 10 minus x. Sir, why we have to write like this? I will explain. X plus y, it is a function in terms of x plus x comma y. It is not function in terms of x, in terms of y. But from the given data according to the maximum minima, we need to convert either in terms of x or in terms of y. Here I am converting in terms of x all the function. Find the maximum area of the rectangle they are asking now. So now write the formula for the area of the rectangle. The area of the rectangle. So the formula for area of the rectangle A equal to, what is the formula? L into B. L is x, breadth is y. A is equal to x into y. But A in terms of x and y is there. So I am not able to write f of x value here. Why? Because y is there. But y value in terms of x is there now, 10 minus x. Then A is equal to x into 10 minus x. That is equal to 10x minus x square. 10 into x minus x into x. A. So A is what? Area of the rectangle. Area of the rectangle in terms of x is there. So I can assume that this is as f of x. So f of x is equal to 10x minus x square. Since I am assuming that area of the rectangle is A equal to f of x. After getting f of x, you know that what we have to do that? F of f dash of x, f double dash of x. Differentiate with respect to x. F dash of x is equal to 10 into x derivative is 1. So 10 minus d by dx of x square to x. Again differentiate with respect to x. So f double dash of x is equal to, so constant 10 derivative 0 minus 2x derivative is 2. X derivative is 1 over here, minus 2, we can take outside, x derivative is 1. So ultimately this value is equal to minus 2. After getting of f dash of x and f dash of x, what we have to do that? For maxima or minima? For maxima or minima, f dash of x is equal to 0. Okay? F dash of x equal to 0. That is, what is f dash of x according to this? 10 minus 2x is equal to 0. That implies 10 is equal to 2x. So x is equal to 5. So whenever x value is equal to 5, substitute in the y. So y is equal to 10 minus x. So y is equal to 10 minus 5. So y is equal to 5. Now I am going to verify when x is equal to 5, f double dash of x is equal to, in place of x substitute 5. F double dash of 5. F double in place of x substitute 5 more. See, constant is constant only now. So minus 2. Minus 2 less than 0, greater than 0. Whenever f double dash of x is less than 0, f of x is what? In the previous problem also we got it. F of x is maximum. What is f of x here? We assume that area of the rectangle. That is, A is maximum. A means what? The area of the rectangle. The area of rectangle is maximum. But till here you will get 5 marks, dear students. Find the maximum area also. So therefore the maximum area of the rectangle. The maximum area of the rectangle is A is equal to x into y. X value we got it, y value we got it, substitute in this. So 5 into 5, 25. So A is equal to 25 square units. So therefore the maximum area equal to 25 square units. I hope you understand, dear students. Today by 9:30 also I am going to give the line on product of vectors in that distance between skew lines. 2 questions are there. when lines is given, when points is given, how to calculate one of the 7 marks important question. It will be very useful to the students. I hope you understand. Any doubts are there, please write to my comment box. I will help you in my free time. Thank you all. Jai Hind, Maths with Panindra. Those who are watching first time, please do subscribe. If you are really like these videos, please do share with the friends and relatives. And don't forget to press that bell icon to get the notifications. Thank you all. Jai Hind.